Hi students, welcome to this international assessment of questions from lower secondary level. See, look at the question. So in parallelogram, right? So we have one type of quadrilateral, right? It is ABCD. So first of all, you can draw a parallelogram, right? Yes. I hope this looks like a parallelogram, right? Yeah, very good. Okay, students. So the name of the parallelogram is ABCD, right? So you can start wherever you can start. So I write ABCD. Right? Yes. So what's the next one? See, this means angle A, right? Angle A is 3 times angle B. Okay, the first important point. Right. Find all the angles of the parallelogram. Okay, this is the only clue, right? Yeah. In this same parallelogram, if AB equal to 5x minus 7 and CD equal to 3x plus 1, right? Find the length of the scene. So, you have two type of questions here, right students? Yeah. So, what's our first question? See, let me do the first question in yellow color, right? See, what is the first clue, right? In ABCD is a parallelogram, right? And do you know all the properties of parallelogram, right? Shall we recall the probability, means properties? Yes. So, the first property, opposite sides are equal and parallel, right students? Yes, equal and parallel. Okay. The first property and the second one, what do you know about all the angles? Do you know, kids? Opposite angles are equal. Okay. Then adjacent angles are supplementary. I mean, sum of adjacent angles are supplementary, or you can write 180 degree. Okay, sum of adjacent angles, right? It's 180 degree. So this is you can take as a third one also, right? And what do you know about the diagonals? Yeah, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals, there are two diagonals, right? So the two diagonals bisect each other. And if you add all the angles in a parallelogram, so it means there are 4 angles, right? So if you add all the angles, sum of 4 angles, right, it gives 360 degree, right? So which property we are going to use, right? So look at the question. We have 2 questions in this problem, right? So the first question is about angles, right? And the second question, so this one, it's about the sides. Okay, so first we can finish the first question. So angle A 3 times angle B. So this is very important, right? So you can write this point. Yes, angle A is 3 times angle B. Right students? What do you mean by that? If the angle B is x, see, if it is angle B is x, then the A will be 3 times x. Do you understand? Do you get it? Right? This is very important, right? Where you don't understand every time. Okay, so you have to take B as x and A should be more than 3 times B. So first you have to take this B, then A. Right students? Yes. So we take angle B is equal to x and angle A is equal to 3 times x. Okay. So look at this. What type of angle it is? They are, yes, adjacent angles or next angles in a parallelogram, right? Or else, see, it is like it's a parallelogram, right? It's like a transversal, right? So yeah, what is this type of angles? You know the very well of a parallelogram means parallel lines property, right? Corresponding angles are equal. Yeah, and alternative angles are equal, right? But here this angle, when you add, we get 180 degree co-adjacent angles, right students? Yes. So these two angles, if you add, we get 180 degree. This is a very important property. So you have to know all the properties of the quadrilateral. Then this problem will be simplest to one. Right? So what do you mean by that? Angle A plus angle B equal to 190 degree. Co-adjacent angles. Okay. So what is angle A? It is 3x. And what is angle B? It is x. Right? So that is equal to 180 degree. So it's 1x. So 4x is equal to 180 degree after adding this. So how do you find x? Right? So x is equal to 180 degree by 4. So when you cancel by 4 table or divide, 4 4s are 16 and 2 5 4s are 20. So the value of x is 45 degree. So x is 45 degree. Then what is A? So look at this one. This is 45 degree. It is 3 times 45 degree. No? So what is 3 times 45? 5, 1, 12, 30. 135. So this is 135 degree. So do you know what is this angle? So this is 45 degree and this is 145 degree. How do you write this? Because we know opposite angles are equal. Okay. So what do you know about the properties? Consider angles. Opposite angles are equal. Look at this one. Opposite angles are equal and sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree. So we have used this property to find the angles. So we find all the angles, right students? Yeah. Now go to the sides. So what are they given in the sides? Yes, look at that. Okay, AB is 5x minus 7, right? And what about CD? Where is your CD, kids? CD. Oh my god, they have given both equal sides, right? This one and this one. So AB and CD are equal, right? Because we know opposite sides are equal in the parallelogram, right students? So this is our second question in this problem, right? So it is a parallelogram. So opposite sides are equal. So AB equal to CD. So what is AB? It is given 5x minus 7, right? This is equal to 3x plus 1. So how do you find this value of x, right? You know the very well of linear equations. Can transpose here and this one here. So 5x minus 3x. This is 1 already here. 7 comes here. So 1 plus 7, it is 8. So this is 2x. Okay. So 2x, x is equal to 8 divided by 2. It is 4. So we find only the value of x, not about the sides, right? So now we are going to find the value of AB. See, look at this. AB is equal to 5x minus 7. See, so 5, what is x? It is 4 minus 7. So this is 20 minus 7, we get 13. So AB equal to 13. You understand, students? Yes, we find AB is equal to 13. So what about CD? That is also 13 because both are equal, right? So how simple this problem is, because it is a parallelogram, right? So when it is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal and co-adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay, so if you know all the properties well, this problem will be definitely simplest one, right students? So whenever you have this type of problem, you should not leave this problem, right? Do you understand, students? Yeah, so we have two questions in this problem. One is about angles and one is about sides, right? So both you have done, you can do, okay, only after knowing well known of the properties, right? So I hope you all understand the problem. Thank you, students.